Really nice. Making Louis Vuitton Imagination at home. Time for some now refreshing, juicy citrus. Wait! We don't want to make the same mistake as last time. Got my put on these really high-tech lab glasses. Now let's squeeze the citrus. It would have went in the eye, but it didn't. There's our base note. Next is some Sicilian orange. Ah, it's in my eye. It caught me off guard. I didn't know. Let's just put it in. Ah, it's in my eye. Let's put it. Now we've had the citruses. We're gonna add some nice Tunisian neroli. Smells incredible. We have the florals and the citruses. Let's add this nice guaiac wood. Not some twigs I found in my garden. Authentic, real, 100% guaiac wood. Using these twigs, exotic woods that weren't from my garden to stir. Now for our spices, we have some cinnamon and of course ginger. Now for a smell check. It's getting there, but it doesn't really have the tea-like note in Imagination. Let's add some Chinese black tea. Why is this not opening, bro? What? Well, opened. Let's get this tea bag on. Ooh, those aromas. Days getting on my nose. Play around with it. Just get that. Expand the essence. Let's put it in. Just put it in, man. The smell is literally 1-to-1, but we're missing the signature blue Imagination color. I've cracked it. Lucozade Energy Blue Blast. This is exactly what you need to get the Louis Vuitton Imagination color. The secret is to have it chilled. Really nice. Let's pour it in. The color, identical, and you're really getting that nice Imagination freshness. Part 2 is already posted, where I'm going to mix up and blend this entire fragrance. It's time for the comparison. LV Imagination, LV Imagination, because they look exactly the same. You have At Home Edition versus actually LV Imagination. Now let's see if it compares to the OG. Let's spray it on skin. Completely the same. 1-to-1. I'm not gonna lie, it's an immaculate clone. One of the best. If you want to buy it in my TikTok, I'm joking. You do not want to buy this. You do, sorry. It smells amazing. If you like LV Imagination, get this stuff at ibsaromas.com.